So if you're trying to use Ubisoft Connect in offline mode, first, go to your Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Open that up. Once you've got it open, look to the left panel and click on Outbound Rules. Then on the right side, hit New Rule. In the setup, choose Program and click Next. Then select this program path and hit Browse. Now go to this location on your PC, what you see on the screen right now. Pick up playwebcore.exe and click Next. Choose Block the connection, click Next again, and make sure the rule applies to all three profiles: domain, private, and public. After that, give it a name, something like Ubisoft Offline Mode, and click Finish. Now just close Ubisoft Connect and launch it again. At the top, it should say no connection, even if your Wi-Fi is still on. From there, you can log in like normal and use it in offline mode.